So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, a very important and a very beneficial video for all of the speakers, for all of the beginners, because guys, today I'm gonna talk about a very famous and a very common problem. It is a problem, and for this problem many speakers and many beginners who wanna learn, who wanna speak this English language fluently, confidently, they can't speak. And it is a very common mistake, it is a very common problem, and this problem is I can store many words, many sentences, but whenever it is the time to express, to tell them time to time, I can't. I have stored many words, many similar words, many new words in my brain, but when I do some conversation with someone, when we speak the English language to someone, we can't use all of those words. So what is the solution of it? Don't worry guys, that's why I am making today's video. It will be very beneficial video, so don't skip any moment of the video, and let's start the video without any wasting of time. So let's go. Guys, remember one thing, don't miss the last part of this video. It will be very beneficial for you. The practice that I'm gonna tell you in the last part, it is so important, so don't miss. And now enjoy the video. And now guys, the first topic that I'm gonna talk about, it is whenever you are gonna store a word, a sentence, try to use it instantly, try to speak it instantly. I wanna tell to everyone a very important thing, and it is that whenever we read something, whenever we study something, then the thing we have studied, all of the things they're stored in our brain, but they're stored in our part of subconscious brain. And when we will explain, or when we will repeat the whole thing again in our brain, then it will be converted in the conscious brain, and it is the thing. That's why many people, they learn a number of things from many stories. It may be from the question and answer, it may be from any sources, but whenever we read something, whenever we study something, we just study it for 2 and 3 times, we get some few new words, similar words, we understand the word, and then we leave it. We think that, whoa, when I will speak, I will use it. It is very important. But after reading or after studying and getting some knowledge with the help of the word, we don't use it. So using is very important. That's why I always advise to everyone, whenever you are gonna study, whenever you are gonna read a story, try to explain the story also. Because when we will explain the whole story, then the new words, then the new sentence that we have learned from the story, it works in our brain. And with the help of the working, we again revise all of the sentence in our brain. So it is very important, and that's why I always tell that there is only one key, one solution for your all problems, and it is that stories. When we read a story, then it helps us to get to stock more and more new words, more and more new sentences. It may be grammatical sentences, it may be any kind of sentences. And when we will explain the whole story, then it means we are speaking. And I always tell, if you speak, you are gonna develop your speaking. So it's one kind of a practicing, and this speaking the stories are gonna develop your confidence level, are gonna develop your fluency. So remember it always. Try to read stories, big stories. It may be any kind of stories, because the writer of the stories, they always use new similar words. Don't you ever question to yourself that why there are many similar words of a word, there are many words, but why the writer, they always try to add new words? Because for only one reason, and this reason is for developing our knowledge, and it will be very beneficial. But now the question is how we will catch the words, new words, because there are a number of words out there, and in the ocean of words is the sentences, there are many words we can't understand. Then how we are gonna remember it, how we are gonna use it in our speaking? Guys, I want to give you a best beneficial advice for it, and it will be that highlighting. What I said, highlighting. Remember, that is the reason that I always give advice to everyone that highlight. Okay, whenever you are gonna read a story, it may be your own syllabus textbook stories, just read the story, and while reading, just try to use two highlighters. What I said, two highlighter. One is a yellow highlighter and one is a pink highlighter. First of all, mark all of the words that you can pronounce, that you can understand, with the yellow highlighter, and then mark the words that you can't understand, that you can't pronounce, with the help of a dark highlighter or a pink highlighter. For this, with this help of this habit, with the help of this practice, whenever you are gonna read the whole paragraph, the whole story again, then the words that you didn't get, they will tickle in your brain, because you have already marked them, and you can easily find out from your internet what is the meaning of the words. So it is very beneficial. Remember, all problems, only one answer is there, it is the stories. Read the stories, you are gonna develop your everything for the speaking. And now let's go to our second mistake. So the advice is that I gave to you, if you are doing, if you are practicing but not even developing yourself by the practices, by speaking and also by explaining a story, then there is a fault you are doing, and the fault is that you are not capturing words very well, because there are some beneficial things that we have to follow to memorize a word, and the thing is very important. So listen this part very carefully. And the thing that I want to tell everyone, that read a word, read the sentence that you wanna capture, that you wanna memorize very consciously. Okay, it will be very helpful for you. Remember, when we read something, when we find out a new word, it may be from internet, it may be from our textbook, we just read it one time, then we find out the Bengali or the meaning in our mother tongue, then we leave it. But it is not the right way, guys. You can't memorize the word very easily with the helping of this activity. You have to make some change meant in yourself. And the thing is, whenever you will see, whenever you will find out a new word, try to write down the word. What I said, try to write down the word, or you can take a help of a notebook. Take a notebook and then write down the word that you learned, that is new for you, and you wanna just explain, you want to practice it, you want to use it in your speaking. Write down. Writing is very important. And also for a memorizing anything, I want to give you one practice, and this practice is writing. Writing is also very important, and if you are only developing your writing skill, if you always write only for your exams, for your study, then guys, I want to tell you that is also a very big and very important way and benefit of writing. And the thing is very important, and it is that for to memorizing something, if you take a very big question and if you want to learn the question very easily, very quickly, then you should write it. Okay, first of all, just read the question, read the word or read the paragraph, and then after reading it, try to write it. Write A to Z. First of all, you don't have to pressurize yourself, just write by watching word by word, and then when you will write it one time, two times, then you can easily memorize it. You don't have to pressurize yourself. That's why before 2-3 days our parents pressure us to write down the things that we have learned, and it is very important, guys, because when we write something, then our whole brain works, and with the help of our brain we write the word, and we also learn the alphabet, and there is also we will do very less word spelling mistakes. So it is very beneficial thing, guys. Just remember, do this practice, it will be very beneficial for you. You can memorize a word, you can use a word in anywhere, anytime, anyhow. So now guys, the practice that I'm gonna talk about, it is out of the syllabus, but it is a bonus practice. But I wanna tell to everyone, it is more effective than the normal practices, than the normal mistake that you are doing, and it is a very beneficial practice. For a long time I am practicing, and I can make now many words, many new sentences by only thinking. The words, the sentences that I am talking to you, that I am speaking in front of you, they are not copying from anywhere. I am generating all of the sentences in English and I am speaking. So guys, it will be very beneficial for you also. You can generate many type of new words in your brain only with the help of one practice. This practice is very normal and it is one of the best practice. This practice is wherever you will learn, whenever you will speak a topic, try to speak the same topic in 2-3 ways. Okay, it is a little bit hard to difficult, but if you can practice this practice, it will be very beneficial. Like here come, it is a very important and also a very big practice. This practice is simple. Like I want to explain you, I want to say to you that remember, whenever you will speak a sentence, whenever you will generate a sentence, just try to generate the same sentence in 2-3 ways. Like the apple, I like to eat apple, I like to eat apple, it is a sentence. I like to eat apple, and the another sentence is I love apples, my favorite fruit is apple. So the apple is my favorite, but I will explain it in 2-3 ways. Okay, did you understand? My favorite fruit is apple, it is a sentence. I love apple, it is a sentence. And I like to eat apples, it is a sentence. So the 3 sentences, they are explaining that I love to eat apple, apple is my favorite fruit, but the words that I use to generate the 3 sentences, they are different, and it is the gaming point guys. It will help you a lot to speaking, to generating new words, new sentence in sentence. And then write down the sentence in your notebook. After writing it, give 1 2 3 4 numbers and then explain the same sentence but with new words, with new style. It means the sentence point of view will be same, but only your explaining style will be more different. I noticed that many people, they use only 1 word, 2 word repetitive again and again, but when you will do this practice, then it will be more developed guys. Take any type of sentence you can. Like look at this table is very beautiful. I like this table, I love this table, this table is looking so beautiful. There are many uses of this table. It means that you have to explain a sentence but in 2-3 ways. It will be very beneficial. I think everyone understood. Thank you guys for giving me this moment to understanding you, and I want to tell to everyone guys, please like and please subscribe. I am speaking for a long time in front of the sunshine, and now also I am getting so tired. I am doing everything for you guys, so I know that all of the people will subscribe and hit the target 50 likes in this video. Guys, please comment, because your one comment also gives me many motivation. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next in another video. Thank you for watching, and remember, with the subscribing, try to hit the bell icon also, because when you will hit the bell icon like tongue, then all of the notification will come to you very quickly, our all videos. So guys, bye bye. Remember my things is practice the practice that I have told you, and read the stories, talk many words as you can, and don't forget to explain them with the reading. It will be very beneficial. And guys, now another thing that I want to tell you, that are you not confused and curious about to know how I learned the English language? What is the source that I practice every day, and what is the thing that I practice, and for what I learned the English language? Then guys, watch this video. This video is a very brand video, how I learned the English language. I explained all of the things that helps me to develop my English speaking. So click on it, it will be very beneficial for you. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.